Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify Metafields using Rewind, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Shopify Metafields using Rewind, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store from the admin dashboard. Search for Rewind Backups in the App Store. Click on the Rewind Backups app to open its details. Install the Rewind app by selecting the Add App button. Once installed, open the Rewind app from your Shopify dashboard. You will see the Rewind home screen, where your recent backups are displayed. Locate the backup that corresponds to the date from which you want to restore Metafields. Click on the specific backup to view its details. In the backup details, find the section labeled Metafields. Click on Metafields to see all the Metafields included in that backup. Review the list of Metafields to identify which ones you want to restore. Select the Metafields that you wish to restore by checking the corresponding boxes. After selecting the desired Metafields, look for the Restore button. Click the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. Confirm your selection when prompted to proceed with the restoration. Wait for the restoration process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful restoration. You can now return to your Shopify admin and verify that the Metafields have been restored. This process ensures that your Metafields are accurately reverted to their previous state using Rewind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.